Thank you again for tuning in to another edition of our toy review. And before anything else, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you who have been tuning in to my channel since day one. And a lot of people are asking, why am I doing this toy review in our vernacular, which is Tagalog, and a little bit of English? Well, first of all, I will want to promote a spirit of patriotism for all of us, the Filipinos. So basically, gusto ko lang naman po na ma-encourage yung ating mga Philippine toy collectors na tangkilikin yung sariling ating. And gusto kong patunayan sa inyong lahat na tayong mga Pilipino, magagaling tayo. Kaya natin makapagsabayan sa mga foreigners. Kaya natin makapagsabayan sa mga westerners and other Asian countries. So it's like uplifting our spirits up high. So sa inyo na naniniwala at tumatangkilik dito sa channel ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. And to others, I hope you would also open your mind and hopefully sana ma-appreciate nyo rin itong little efforts na ating ginagawa. Okay, this time in our toy review, we are featuring a triple changer. His original name is Octane, but way back 2007 or 2008, Transformers Universe released this guy here under the name Tankor. So basically, as I've mentioned, this is a triple changer: airplane mode, aircraft mode, truck mode, and of course the robot mode. So tingnan muna natin, obserbahan muna natin ano yung mga features nito. And of course, ito yung aircraft mode niya. Meron siyang 2 weapons dito. And kamusta naman yung paint niya? Maganda siya, okay siya. And typically Hasbro siya. Now, challenge here is hindi lahat ng parts nito ay part ng robot, and some of them are accessories lang. Now, I'm going to change this to truck mode. I'll give you an example of an accessory, particularly this one, yung base. Tatanggalin mo yan. Tanggalin mo yung dalawang baril. Yan. Yung dalawang baril mo siya. Observe. Pag pinode mo yan, sasama yung isa. Galing ano. Then, ayusin mo to. Ayusin mo yan. Open mo yung legs niya. Yan. Open mo muna yan. Open mo muna yan. And there you go. Yan. Ngayon, ito ang challenge dito. Kailangan itong wings na ito maitago na itong legs. So, bali, i-bend mo yan. Bend mo yan ganyan. Okay. Lock mo siya dito. And of course, buksan mo yung arms niya. Yan. Buksan mo muna itong dibdib. Yan. Actually, this is quite complicated, and it took me, I guess, almost a week para ma-master itong si Octane, ma-transform. Then, I think it's all worth it naman na, take some time to memorize this. Hindi ko pala tapos to. Alam mo pa palang ipasok yung legs niya. This is how complicated this toy is. And pinapakita ko na sa inyo na once you have this, if you have Tankor or Octane, you should treasure this toy kasi it's all worth it talaga. Naglabas ang Hasbro noon ng isa pang triple changer. Sayang dahil karon nun si Astro Train. But anyways, just to give you a background on Tankor, he appeared on the season 3 of Transformers G1 series. Ito yung isa sa mga unique na Transformers kasi although Decepticon si Tankor, may kaibigan siyang Autobot, which is si Willy. And naging cross ally niya rin si Starscream. Okay. So ito na yung track mode ni yan ang track mode ni Juan. ni Pangkor or ni Octane. Ayan siya. Okay. Medyo kakaiba yung track mode niya kasi parang medyo modern. And nandito yung weapons niya sa gilid. Ayan. Yung weapons niya. Okay. Kaya lang, ang disadvantage naman nito, hindi siya masyadong umaandar. Kasi, ito, yung ibang parts na parang hindi siya intended para umandar talaga. Anyways, how to convert this to robot is another challenging thing. You have to remove this trailer here. Ayan. Ayan. Oops. Sorry. Galing natin yan dyan. Dito. And remove this one here. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Now, of course, another challenging part here. Sorry. Sensya na kayo, medyo nagkakaroon ng konting pagkakamali kasi hindi ko na rin masyadong nalalaro itong si Octane eh. And as a result, of course, hindi ko masyado nang kabisado yung ano niya, yung transformations niya. And as I've mentioned, another reason is complicated itong robot na to. I think this will be considered as level 4 in terms of conversion, level of conversion. This should be considered as level 4 already. And yan, ako po. Yan. Yan. See how complicated this is. Yan. Yan. This is Octane, the robot mode. Okay? So, parang medyo gipit yung kamay niya. So, actually, ito, kamay niya na yan. Kamay niya yan. Okay? And, of course, yung weapon. Okay? Yan. Napansin yung trailer kanina. Yung trailer kanina. And yung base. Ito. Weapon din to actually. Weapon din yan. So, you have to open this. Yan. And remove this one here. Okay. So this. Astig to. Astig tong robot na to kung tutuusin. Ang problema, hindi siya ganun ka-prominent katulad ng ibang Transformers, sina Blitzwing, sina Astrotrain. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-prominent, pero astig to, considering na this is a triple changer robot. Okay, so this concludes our toy review, another edition of the Philippine edition for review, featuring the triple changer Octane, or otherwise known as Pangkor. Thank you so much for tuning in. Mabuhay Philippines. Good night.